Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Heroic. So today I will be taking us through on how to optimize your Upwork account as a freelancer on Upwork. So for you to optimize your account here, you have to deal with keywords. So now I'll be taking us through how to get keywords that will help you optimize your Upwork accounts, your profile or your specialized profile. And as well, when you are creating your project catalog, you'll be able to add the keywords in your specialized in your project catalog as well, because this is very needed when you are creating your project catalog. So you have to be well optimized with keywords. So you're going to get your keywords. Now the first thing you have to do is get your notepad ready. So once you get your notepad ready, for example, maybe I'm rendering a YouTube service. So now the first thing I will do is come on the search option. I will change this to talents. Once I change this to talents, I search the keyword. I'll search it here so it will display the keyword again here. Now once it display the keyword again here, then this is the first thing I will do. You can see the suggestion, the keyword suggestion that has been made here. So I have to be putting all those keywords down one after the other. So now once I put down those keywords one after the other, the next thing I will do is I will be starting from alphabet A to Z. What will I be doing with alphabet A to Z? I will this is space bar, then I'll click on A. Now this will display all keywords that are relating to A alphabets. So that's what you would do from A. You are going to use the alphabets from A to Z. So now all the keywords that has been suggested, you have to put them down, even if it repeats itself. Even if the keyword repeats itself in the other alphabets, you have to put it down as well. Let's go on B. You can see B, you can see C. So you can see the different keywords that has been displayed. These are the keywords that we are going to use to optimize your account. So now you are not limited to just until you are from A to Z. So once you reach Z, then you can go on. Now if you want to rank on Google as well, so once you go to your Google search engine, you click on Google, you search, you go onto Google search engine. Make sure you're on the Google search engine first. So if you are using the different browser, make sure you click on google.com, and once you go on google.com, then it will have this option. So you search the service you're rendering. So I'm making use of YouTube as a reference. So now immediately I search YouTube, then what I have to do is I have to click on these tools. Now these tools will give me a drop down of advanced search. Now after do an advanced search, once I click the advanced search, it will lead me to another page whereby I will have to this is the keyword I want to use. Now I have to edit the language to be in English. The language should be in English. The region should be in the United States based on the highest the country that buys more of services online. So or based on the country you want to target, maybe you want to be rendering the service to a different country. So and you want the keywords to the client's keyword, the buyer's keyword to help you rank on their search engine so that they can see your profile, and they can be able to hire you. So now after you edit your region, then you have to do the advanced search. Now immediately I do the advanced search, then I am on the United States region. So though I'm using a Nigerian IP, so that's why you have the Nigerian IP at the bottom of the page. So well, if you want to search the US, you have to put on your VPN. So once you put on your VPN, you have to be on the United States VPN. So immediately search that, then you have to do the same thing you did on Upwork. You have to do it here as well. So from A to Z, all the keywords you see from A to Z, you have to put it down as well. So and I hope this video is helpful on how to get your keyword to optimize your Upwork accounts. So like and subscribe. I'll wait more updates and videos.